Kani ka All India Radio Shillong paralok nong ngam ino na maspiha kani ka por ya ka kubor ka bakarpang ka bayday bat u COVID-19. Ha Meghalaya inong pang COVID-19 mamarway jong kani ka July la yo ya ka report negative ni bamdan shu yo knyang jingpang ha ka test ka balami menta ka sngi. Menta ka Meghalaya kam don shu ya kinong pang COVID-19 barkan shimport arpaway sngi ban yo penbanaya ka Meghalaya kum ka green zone lada dan ba yo knyang jingpang ha kini ki arpaway sngi. Menteri rong ba ka Meghalaya konrat ki sangmau ong baya mentahi ka Meghalaya kalalat nya ka jingte knyang jingpang corona da ka result negative ka balami na inong pang ya bakhat do jong kani ka jelang. Wala kata ka long kabadan kam bandang perkengi ki kendon te dakam namar ki dang don shibon ki try jela ki balawan pai shnong na ki betapa pera jong kri India. Menteri rang ba ong ba ka long shisha ka kam ka bajuat banya kun bat budde ni ki pau hajar ngut ki breu ki bawan pai sha ka jela la jong. Kat bala la ka bor ka jela ka lapan kre banya kun ni ka ni ka jing da ka jing persyang barat ba haki kedan ki ba pera. Ha ka bayday ba ka jing bo iki jaka kerpang ha kani ka jela ban penbiang iki tu ki breu ki bawan nabar menteri rang ba ong ba ka sarkar kan sa perkhat ya ki jing terwa bala terwa ki balang kristan bar ki ken huon ki ba pher ki bala ai kelut men si me la ki yeng bat ki we ki tiar ban pendan kam na ka banta ka te ki jing thmu u kon rat sang ma ulo ong ru ba ka Meghalaya ka dei ka we ni ki jela ha ka than chate lamingi ka ba biang ya ka jaka ban test si kinong pang covid bat lanang pen khlan shu ya ka jing test ha kani ka jela. Menteri rang ba ka Meghalaya konrat ki sangma ha ka kawa khubor jong uhne ka sngi ulo ong ba ka retest ka ba ar jong inong pang covid ma marway jong ka jela kalami negative ne khot nyok nyang jingpang mentala la ban penbana ye ti inong pang ba ila yo ya ka jingkot ka bapura tat hadu menta khalai ngot ki breu kila yo ka covid-19 ha Meghalaya ha ka ba khat ar ngot na pedeng jongki kila kot pat uwe ula khlat no. Ka Joint Action Committee JAC COVID-19 hakat khan rangblang kaladap shna bat penbiang ya ka jaka sa bakerpang jangki brio ki bawan rung sha kate ka than ya ka bala penyeng ha madan sotlang harangblang South West Khasi Hills District. Kandai tri ki shnong ka than rangblang kilai trelang hapo jang kalama Joint Action Committee COVID-19 rangblang banyak pendep ya kate ka jing tre ka bakerki ban chna trap hamadan sotlang ha ka khatlai tri ujemmang ar hajar arpho khanang ban penbiang ya ki samla puli jong kate ka than ki ba puli shabar shnong bat wan phai shala ka yeng ha pedeng jong ka khlam usong konor jong ka JAC rangblang ba i yaw phnyau ong ba kila persyang da kate ka lat na marba ki ba bon ni kilong yeng long sem kim biang jaka sa satya ban bu penkerpang ya ki khon ki ba wan phai ki kendon trekam bala penmi da ka tanat ki kampo yeng jaka sarkar India kala pensyai ya ki an ki ban trekam ha ka ri barok away ban te la kam ya ka jingpang khlam COVID-19 ba kite ki an kin long ha barok ki jaka pat ba bat ha ki jaka trekam la pelong kongsan ni ke jingpong ye ki mask ki jingmana ban bia ni ha ki jaka pat ba ni ha ki kali bat la raja ba yap briu an ai jing bet tang ar phongut ki briu bakin don ha ka por pen khoi ya kamen ka sarkar kala hukum ru ba de ban pen biang ye ki jaka sai kiti la ne bo da ki hand sanitizer ha man la ki khdap shnong bat ban thau ru ya ka jingshet ha ka met jing ki briu ki bawan rum thamai ha ki jaka tre de banya paji para briu bat de banya bon than ha ki kamra trekam UMLA ka Seng Congress na mausan ramu ba Himalaya syang pliang ula dawa ba de ban test COVID-19 ni ki briu ki ba syang basa ki benta khapot ka India bat Bangladesh ha Meghalaya ka jing dawa jong ba syang pliang kalami hadin ka jing yo khubor bala danu nong pang COVID-19 ha ka shnong Dharmapur ha Sunamganj district jongkari Bangladesh ka ba jangai tang kumbasan spa mitar na ka yo ringku ka ba don ha block mausan ram East Khasi Hills district jong ka Meghalaya ulai thuru ba ula de pentip show menteri rang ba konrat sangmai ketika khubor bat kerpat ya uban penlong ya ka jing test ka badan kam na ka benta ki briu baro ki ba syang basa hau put ke India bat Bangladesh ha ka joko por ba syang pliang ula kerpat ru ya menteri ki kampo yang ka sarkar Meghalaya uba lakmen rumboy ban khot no da ka jing lang ka bekerki ha pade director general jong ki pulit ka Meghalaya bat inspector general ka BSF khanang banyo bishar banya ya ka longkaman jong ka jing pur ka khlam ha Bangladesh ka lat thalabo dorbar chnong Jawai East Giant Hills District ya ka ai ka bangi laban ongkom ka lat thalabo model ne ka nuksa pen ina lat thalabo kala pen kre bhai la dia banya kunting e la jabuan lap ka khlam ka nugo ko por da ka jing rai jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ban wan yalami ki briu la jong ki basakut shabar jong ka jela ka shnong lat thalabo kala pen kre stat ya ki lat trekam ki bakerpang Kadorbar chunong kala thao ya ka komiti terekam ka bekerpang ban penti kena ya ka jingbet jingbiang jong kitu kibrio ki bawan phai shnong na ka kibenta ba pher jong kari kala panyare la ka tereka ta jong ka da ka bay snok ti lang bat kiwe ki dong khanang banyo penbiang kham jana ya ka jingdon kam ka bekerki ka kubor ka bekerpang ka bede ka COVID-19 kala wan shpi na ka All India Radio Shillong sengom habat na permenta se ka program ka banbot.
This is All India Radio Shillong, and we now bring you a special roundup on COVID-19 from the regional news unit of All India Radio Shillong. With the lone active case testing negative on Monday, Meghalaya is free of any COVID-19 active case and will take another 21 days to be declared as a green zone only if no fresh active case is detected during that period. Informing that the 12th patient has tested negative and the state is COVID-free for now, Meghalaya Chief Minister, however, said that the state cannot lower its guard considering the fluid situation and number of stranded people coming in from all across the country. Stating that it is a challenging operation to deal with the thousands of people coming in, the Chief Minister said that the state has prepared itself at various levels and stands prepared to deal with it. On ramping up the quarantine facilities in the state, the Chief Minister said that the government is looking into the suggestions and offers made by the churches and communities to use their infrastructure for community quarantine. He also informed that as far as testing facilities is concerned, the state is one of the well-equipped in the northeast and the testing rates has been increased considerably. The state had registered 13 COVID cases and until yesterday there were 11 recovered, 1 active and 1 dead. With the 12th patient testing negative and declared recovered today, the number of active COVID cases is 0. The Joint Action Committee on COVID-19 Rangblang area completed building the quarantine center at Madan Sotalang in Rangblang, southwest Khasi Hills district. 9 villages from Rangblang area has joined together under the umbrella of the Joint Action Committee JAC on COVID-19 Rangblang area to urgently build the hut at Madan Sotalang meant for some home quarantine for the students from the area who are studying outside the state. Chairman of the JAC COVID-19 Rangblang area E. Yao Pnyao informed that the JAC has taken the initiative to build the hut because most of the families have no space for home quarantine and also to ensure that those coming from outside should not mix up with the villagers. Congress legislator and Mausanram MLA Himalaya Shangpliang in Meghalaya has demanded that the people residing along the international border with Bangladesh be tested for COVID-19. Shangpliang's demand came after a positive case was allegedly reported in Dharmapur village in Sunamganj district of Bangladesh, just 5 meters from Rinku Bazar in Mausanram block in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. The legislator said he has informed Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma about the case and requested the administration to immediately conduct random testing of people residing in villages along the international border. Shangpliang also requested Home Minister Lakman Rumboy to immediately call a meeting with the Director General of Police and Inspector General of the BSF to take stock of